Oo nga. Ayun na, sige ba? Ano, tititig pa rin sa'yo, be.
Ito yun, no? Ito yung sa amin. Parang. Hindi ko alam.
Sabi siguro, ito ang ginagawa ng mga to. Kaya nga. Wala.
Okay.
First up, monography! Everybody close your eyes sa Chakan Park.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, perfect! Nag-work ang eye. Ayo. Konti pa, konti pa. Be, grabe yung konti mo, ah.
Yan.
Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Hindi, seryoso ako, be. Oh, stop.
Ala, isa-search ko. Isa-GPT ko to.
Buti na lang.
Putangin lang yan. Shit.
Isa na naman pong kapalpakan ng nangyari. Ano yan? Balag.
I mean yung phone mo. Ano
Ay,
yung phone?
Samsung. 20, ay, 5.
25?
6? 5. Ano masasabi mo sa kapalpakan mo, be?
Shit. I must say na hindi ito yung araw ko ngayon. Wala talaga hanggang 8 p.m. lang.
Diba?
Doon na tayo sa selfie for cut.
Tapos sabi niya 10 hanggang 10 daw. Team Talunan. Christy! Close lahat. Go, go, Hashima!
Ayan lang oh.
Okay, guys. So, we made it. Ay, we didn't make it pala.
I did it,
Puro ka, anuhan pa ang ginagawa ni Chaffer today.
Thank you so much.
For this evening, hindi po namin alam kung anong natira niya.
Naka-handbrake. Second of all, mali ang schedule.
Yes! Actually, first of all, muntikan niya ka naman kami iwanan sa ere. Second of all, yung handbrake. Third of all, mali yung schedule niya.
Daming ganap.
Yes, but now we found a place to go. So meet us there.
Naman perfect.
Don't do it. Don't go. Don't look. Don't listen. Don't eat. Don't sleep. Don't laugh. And don't think.
Don't think ka na.
Don't forget.
Don't think. Don't think. Buti na lang nandito lang tayo.
Oy, bakit? Bakit? Technically, I was right. Tapos sabi ng car na naman to, ito na naman yung Civic na to.
Tapos nasa right.
Nasa right, dito right, yan.
Oh, tama yung address ko.
Turn right, turn right. Siyempre malapit naman yung park, alay-lay ng park mo ay.
Ang layo din ang tingin mo. Oh.
Andun no?
Nasa kabilang side. Ayun, nakikita ko na siya. Nasa left side.
Problema, walang ano. Dito?
Mr. Ayun na, si Mr. Surprise.
Ay, ito.
Sorry, I think the wrong one is this one.
Kaya nga, na don't think nga naman.
Hindi na nga nag-think. Para
Yeah, this one.
saan ba?
Pasok, be!
Gago saan ba?
Pasok.
Okay.
Kasya umi. Currently looking for ATMs.
Yeah. Apparently, there's another challenge.
No. I swear it's Chaz. Cha is our balat sa put today.
Who didn't win the raffle?
Oh, whoa. Us too. But who's so bad today, huh? Who's so bad today? Who's unlucky
What is
today?
spitting your saliva on me, bro?
Ay, sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, there's a...
Everybody, remove your jackets.
Yeah. So, let's plan.
Ako tagawa.
Sige, sa gitna ka. Actually, siya pa mali. Ano may birthday ngayon eh?
Siya ako mali.
Sige.
Ang hirap pa naman mag-ano. Wait lang, pwede ba ito itatap doon?
Baka pwede dito.
May ano din naman kasi. Ano ba sa loob? Teka lang, hindi ko abot.
Meron nga. No, I think once na nag-pay ka na dyan mo na igagalaw.
Okay.
Kasi paano na lulusot pera dyan, dong?
Sige. Hindi maglusot mo na ng pera.
Ginagamit niya yung utak niya ngayon.
Nag-ring siya ngayon.
Oo, grabe.
Ano ba?
So,
Baka
hindi
mapagod
na
ka,
applicable yung don't think Hajima.
Move, move.
Hajima tayo. Ina, di tayo kasya dito.
Oh, ako naman.
Tok-tok. Hindi ko abot eh. Like, sa tok-tok-tok-tok.
Hawakan.
Baka mo ito, baka mapindot mo yung ano, mapindot mo. Hindi. Hindi. Bubuhatin kita ba eh? Ganun mo doon sa tok-tok. Ready? One.
Putangin ako.
Bubuhatin yan ka rin tayo. Ready? Hindi dyan pa nga doon sa tok-tok.
Ah, sa tuktok. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dapat may video. Ayun, okay.
Gago kita ba yan?
Oo, kita yan.
Nakawide ka?
Oo. Kaya hindi ako nakaingat eh.
Nice na naka-yellow ka.
Oo.
It goes with the blue. Tapos tayo sa kung naka-black tayo.
Sa likod. Sa kapatid natin. Para
Yes.
saan yung ano kanina?
Wala, ba't tinanggal mo yung phone mo, Gagi? Ah, sir, ito? Okay, hala.
Ano yung kanina?
Ah, okay.
Ano yung kanina?
Okay.
Buksan na namin. Ay, hindi pala.
Kaya
mo magbukas.
Ano? Pumapasok? Dapat may retake, no? Like, i-view mo muna. Hindi.
Isang set. Tapos
Yung isang set muna, tapos another set ulit. Lo.
Be, okay ka pa ba dyan, be?
Ang bigat naman ito, grabe. Okay, great. Thank you.
Ay, ayun na, 27.
Okay, let's go.
Ano na eat?
Oh, eat muna. Oh, ganito ha.
Ganito?
Let's go. Oh, yan. 5. Okay, go. Eat.
Don't sleep.
Ayan. Tangin na, ulitin ko yun.
Sabay.
Oh, isa.
Don't eat.
Next, sleep. Nice. Shit, ang sakit sa leg. Wow.
Mahangala yun ah.
Oh my God. Grabe, parang feeling ko tumaas yung pressure ko. Babe, I need you to lift me up to the floor.
Wait lang.
Sa baba, sa baba. 1, 2, 3.
Go! Ay, nag-video! It's a success! Siguro, ba't ang ingay ng mga yun?
Let's go. Uy, yung mga gamit natin ha.
Success.
Anyway, di pa naman tayo tapos. Mag-selfie tayo. And we're gonna... Video natin ito habang
Ang
magaling
cute
lighting.
to. Picture check.
Ayun
Nga, ang kulit nyo ay.
Ako na lang
Patayuin
ako
mo.
mag-video.
Ganyan dyan, oh. O, diba?
Ay, talino.
Don't do it. Ganda ng background. Go, 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 go! Perfect, perfect.
Don't do it Hajima, don't go Gajima, don't look Bojima, don't listen to Jima, don't eat Jima, don't sleep Jima, don't laugh with Jima, don't forget it Jima.
Sabi ko kay Christine, punta tayo doon, siya lang yung lumapit.
Alam mo, hindi ko pa ini-edit.
Oh! Mango check.
Ayos na tayo.
Hindi, para di ako madulas.
Okay.
Wow. Perfect.
So much.
Ano yung tsura na sa'yo?
Kapo.
Oh, ba't tignan mo yung ilaw-ilaw niya? Oh, good shit.
Tapos, bubuksan ko.
Thank you po.
Ano sa akin yan? Umuha ka pa eh.
Ito, Ay, hindi. Nahawakan mo na yan. Ayoko niya. Kaya nga sabi ko. Go, be. Oh, no, we're okay. Thank you very much.
So, this is my gift to you guys. Tag 150 kayo.
Paano ba siya?
Ba't di ba kulay sa'yo? Ah!
Tira, masungani sa'yo. Epal yung naka-pink. Epal. Ay, sorry. Oh, open mo na. Unbox. I-unbox niya po yung gift niya sa amin.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you guys. Ito yung...
pink kay Hana. Yes, sir.
Tapon ko to eh.
Ba't kasi hawak mo eh? Lagay ko mo sa pocket.
Dito sa door.
Oo, ito kaya na to. Gusto to ni Christine, si Pampamporini.
Happy birthday.
Ah, this is so cute. Si Puchacho.
Ayan, finally.
Pink siya, depende sa light.
Ito nga, may green eh. Oh.
Actually, ang cute niya.
Change tayo.
Uy, ilagay mo yan sa ano ha? Sa photobook nyo ha?
Canadian yarn. Takbo tol.
Canadian ka na.
I think I could have just, ano.
Pumasok na nga.
Hindi mo pa rin naabot ng ayun na. Perfect.
O baka naka-handbrake na naman ha? Ay, gago. Talaga.
Let's go. Everybody, for some reason, Chad's going crazy.
I know.
Okay lang namin.
Makakarating din tayo.
Done. Ang sarap ng cheese. Isa-zoom in ko lang.
Alam mo yung meron na akong video ng parang natata ito.
Oo, be. Ba yung edit mong taing ano dito ko ilalagay yun. Sa pet mo.
Wait lang. So, vlogs tayo. Tangin na to, sino nag-pin nitong picture ko?
Wala akong ginawa.
Asan naman yun? Anong lechon, be? Be, nagugutom si Christine kasi kanya pa gusto yung lechon.
Paano yung ganun? Hindi ko alam yun.
Something mo lang.
May ganun kasi doon. Na-remember ko.
Bigla na siya bumibelo, be. Nagagulat ako. Nagagulat ako sa balo ni Christine. Isa na. Away. So, okay, paano ba? Hindi ba sa cellphone ka?
Siya na rin bumala sa akin. Nakikagano.
Oo. Okay, so ito yung ano.
Kasi 1, 2, 3. Pero kung matamaan na rin ako sa ulo.
Kasi mo yung natamaan.
Kasi baba niya pala yung ano ko. Ganito ba?
Actually, ganito ko.
Gagawin na lang ako.
Kala lang ko.
Hindi pa ako ready kasi dahil.
Ay, hindi ko ba?
Dito siya magpapar.
Natambal ako. Nahilo ako.
Ano pa siya? Sa dami naman ng card. Hindi ko pa talaga.
Ilang 10 seconds yung puta. Ay, ito ko. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't do it, Hajima.
Bakit?
Don't do it, Hajima.
Sabi na.
Don't do it, Hajima.
Baka yun yung kanina.
Don't do it, Hajima.
Ano lang, pipigilan lang umalis.
Sino ang magpipigil sa ating dalawa?
Ako yung magpipigil. Ikaw yung aalis. Ikaw yung dramatic.
Don't go, Hajima. Don't go, Hajima.
Beba pa. Yaga. Be, di ka pa marunong magtampo, be? Aww.
Don't go, Hajima.
I'm just, yeah.
I'm just good.
Dolo ko.
Don't go, Hajima.
Kita mo yun. Camera niya.
Hindi ka ba?
Putang ina, puro mukha ko pala sa camera mo ngayon, no?
Don't let go.
Ah,
Don't go pala.
Oh, ready? Go.
Don't go, Hajima.
Wow, pang ano? Pang Star Magic?
Don't go, Hajima.
Si Christine ka?
Dapat yung cellphone na lang ni Christine yung sa Instagram para hindi ka na pala.
Oh, yeah. Asan yung ano mo? Tama, tama.
Di ba?
Tangina, puro po.
Yung cellphone natin naka-on yung kay Christine. Walang ambag eh.
Sorry na.
Sa Instagram.
Dito. Ayan, yan.
Don't do it, Hajima. Don't go, Hajima. Don't look, Hajima. Don't listen.
Tas, yan, ganyan. Okay, perfect na yun. It's like, hop. Yan. Okay, ready? 10 seconds. Okay. Tama ba yung ano namin?
Ano ako natin?
Tama ba?
Mm.
Okay, yan.
Mag-away na nga.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Don't listen to Jemima.
Pwede daan ka na lang.
Hahakot na tapos. Yan.
So, tapos tayo.
Iabot ko sa'yo.
Tapos titignan natin siya masama. Okay. Wait, frame muna tayo
One,
dalawa.
two,
Dito na.
three,
Okay.
go.
Sorry.
Nani, di.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ganon?
Magsige sa
Mag-stay ka
gitna.
sa gitna. Yeah. Ulit.
1, 2, 3.
Don't eat
I think
Mag-wake ka,
mag-center ka.
gano'n.
Yeah.
Di ba pagkakuha mo, di ba ganito ka? Sige.
Yeah. Okay, ready. O, kunin mo yun. Okay, ready. Dito ka. Okay, dito siya muna.
Don't even Jemima.
May ambag lahat ng cellphone ngayon.
I know.
Don't do it. Don't sleep Jemima. Don't do it.
Feel ko na siya. Baka nasa
You don't think I'm adjustable? It's adjustable. Ayan po si Cha right now, currently trying to get signal and looking at herself. And Christine. Ay. Don't do it, Hajima. Don't go, Hajima. Don't sleep, Mukjim. Ayan! It's posted! Okay guys, after that, the next stop is milkshake.
for her future. This is really important.
This is really important because it worked for me.
We can't miss this.
Yes.
Ilang months?
Ilang,
It's a
2 to 3 months.
It's a mandatory ritual.
Yes, she should find her love of her life by
Well,
then.
we have to be specific. He has to be a citizen or a permanent resident. Okay?
Sorry po sa mga hindi PR. Sorry po.
She can't
if you're
take you.
not PR or a citizen, goodbye.
Bye. You're not included.
You're missing out, bro.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Ay, binibenta na po namin ang tropa namin.
Kung pwede lang talaga ba?
As long as may PR ka, benta na. Huh?
Milkshake brings to the voice in the yard.
Para kayong kulto.
Yun naman talaga yun ah. Yun talaga yung purpose ng face. Ginamit ko yung phone face, so dapat gawin natin yung tamang
ritual.
Wait lang, nag-upload lang to.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yacht. Damn right. It's better than yours. Damn right. It's better than yours. I can teach you.
Wait lang.
Nag-jump kayo?
Tapos after nun, 1, 2, 3. Itaas nila ikot. Hawak siya na something. Kailangan iniisip mo na yung...
Gago,
Sino
sino
man-
mapasok sa utak? Wala akong mapasok.
Ano daw? Dapat meron pumapasok sa utak mo, Mi. Kung kinakailangan, isipin mo.
Ano muna tayo?
Mag-isip-isip ka muna, B, ng anong type mo.
Yan. Okay. Wait lang. Wait lang. My milkshake brings all the boys in the
Yacht.
yacht.
Yacht?
I'm right? Yate.
Hindi yard?
Akala ko din yard. My milkshake brings all the boys in the yacht. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you. 1, 2, 3, go. My milkshake brings all the boys in the yacht. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you.
Para tayo nagre-ritual talaga. Ay! Natatakot ako ng konti.
Yung pagtalong ko medyo napa-excite ng slide. Napa-excite siya ng slide.
Pala ka, yarn.
Uy, na-excite. Oo.
Dumadalawin ka niya, pero hindi na isa-isa. Dumadalawa.
Ano ba yung ano natin? How you will know? I put a water glass.
Oo. Sino doon? Sino tayo doon? Sino yung listener?
Ako yung listener.
Sino yung... Ako na yung talkative.
Ikaw na yung confused.
Sige.
Tapos ako.
The door to the microwave. What is wrong? Ay, ikaw yung mas
Ako madala nga siya yung confused.
O, ikaw na lang yung confused. Ako na lang listener. Okay.
Anong gagawin ko?
Eto, papakita ko. Ay, hindi. Kailangan yung... Ako muna niyan. Tapos ako sasagot. What glass? Tapos ikaw.
Titingin ba ko doon?
Hindi, dito lang. Magkakaus. Pero naka...
I put the packet on the glass. What glass?
Maybe. Okay, go. Oh, ito.
Confused nga naman talaga ako.
Put the packet on the glass.
What class?
A little glass dish in the
You
microwave.
have to tell her, bro!
Hindi mo like ko. Hindi mo like ko. Hindi mo like ko. Si Christine wala.
Ba't ako yung tinutulog?
May confused na rin ako.
Put the packet on the glass. What glass? A little glass dish in the microwave. Got it. I close the door. Which door? The door to the microwave. What is wrong with you?
Tumawa na ako.
On the glass. I close the door. Which door? The door to the
Sabi ko sa'yo, mas bagay mo eh.
That is our final video. And since we made a lot of TikTok, we're gonna see each other after 1 year.
See you next year.
See you next year.
Tama naman.
That's our ano. Ay, oh! 26 is almost January. So technically see you next year. Maybe. I don't know. Are we gonna do like exchange gifts? You guys suck, bro.
Yung, alam mo yung, ano ngayon, trending, yung bibili ng 1 of everything.
Oh, yeah.
Mag-budget na lang tayo.
Yeah. I think we can do that.
Okay. That's perfect. Is
Ay,
it,
by color?
should we do by color? Yeah.
By color.
Okay, we should pick colors though by now. Should be random.
Tayo tatlo.
Random color.
Yeah.
Tapos mag-budget na lang tayo para
Ano kayo? What's the budget?
dalawa.
Let's talk about the budget.
Yeah.
$20
For each,
For each.
category.
person, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay? And then colors.
Red, yellow, and blue. Or purple.
Yung ano na lang, Powerpuff Girls.
Pwede.
A pink, green, and
Blue.
blue. Pink, green, and blue. Oh, si Cha yung green.
Ako yung
Sige.
blue.
Ako yung pink.
Of course.
That's yellow for bubbles.
Yellow.
Blue yun,
Blue
gago.
naman yung damit niya, di ba?
Di ka
Yung
po
blood
like
clear
serious.
ka siya.
Yellow, be. Ito yung green. Oh, perfect pala tayo sa Powerpuff Girls, ah!
I know, right? Even yung personality, Gagi.
Oo, personality mo.
Even yung personality, Gagi.
Ala, oo nga no. Ako di ba ako lagi?
What if maging books, maging Powerpuff Girls na?
With the PPF. Ay, PPF.
For the...
With the
Give me a P. P. Give me a P.
P. Give me a...
F.
Oh.
We're not books anymore.
I know.
What's up?
Tapos 2.0 na.
Okay. It's the
Putang ina, ang hirap ng ano
Give me a B. It's not boog. Boog. It's...
Pero kailan naman tayo ulit magkikita? After Christmas?
Yeah, after Christmas.
Yeah, we can a lot.
Kasi at least it's like... Feeling ko konting oras lang naman. It doesn't have to be
Konting
the
oras
whole
lang
day.
naman,
It's
yeah.
not the whole day. We just have to give...
Like,
we have to find a place.
Maximum of 2 hours. Sa amin, if you want.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, punta na lang kayo sa amin.
Kaya channel lang.
And then we can play, billiard. May billiards doon.
Perfect.
And
Ako pa
then...
pag yung billion, sana yung mapunta.
Be, siya yung stick.
Gago! Ikaw yung player, ako yung stick, siya yung ball.
Hindi na naman na ano.
Wait. Okay, so $20
Blue.
per person?
Per person?
Per person?
Put the packet on the glass.
I-friends ko lang to.
Per person?
Dish in the microwave.
Or for...
I close the
Ilan ba? Di ba dapat tatlo yung bibili mo for yourself and then the two?
So, yung 3 items na yun.
60.
glass dish in the
Tangina mo, napaka-patient mo dito.
door to the microwave. What is wrong with you? I put the packet on the glass.
Okay, all good.
$10. $10, $20 each. Oh! Tama na yan, mamaya ka dyan.
Yeah, what?
$10 or 20. 10, 15 or 20. Each item.
Oh, each item.
So that's 3. So $10.
Okay.
$10.
Yeah.
So that's
We're just
30.
gonna do it for fun.
$30.
Yeah.
So we only have 1 product each.
One product? No, we
Or
can
3.
do, yung mga liit-liit. Tatlo lang pala tayo.
Tanga.
Tayo na pang Pang party size na
May pang malaki yan natin.
50 packs pa rin.
No, the fact that there's only 3 of us, it should be like good products.
Right.
Instead of, kasi kung madamihan, I would understand yung
Right, yung mga liit-liit.
piece of shit lang. Pero like, if it's just us 3, at least,
Yeah. Parang ako pala yung aware nyo dito. Ako yung confused ko. I put the packet on the glass.
putang ina yung ano. Sige, so,
So, 10 each for each product. $10 each for each product.
How
Kasi
about
tatlo eh. Ano
how
ba
about
sinabi?
15?
15. So, 15 for each product. So, that will be 45 for everything.
Isa sa'yo, isa sa akin, isa sa akin.
Not 45.
I mean, bro,
45?
dalawa lang, bro.
No, you have to be
You have
included.
to have everything
Or-
na I think you're just gonna give something
Dalawa.
to... Yeah, dalawa
Eh di
lang.
30. Pwede na.
I think dalawa lang. Because you're just gonna give...
Makaka-receive ako from both of you.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
See?
Okay.
I
Dalawa
put
lang.
the
So-
packet on the glass.
Which glass?
Hindi ako confused this time.
Okay, pero we're not doing like, kasi di ba may isang trend yung bag yung
Oh, no,
ibibilan.
we're not gonna
We're
do
doing the laglagan
Yeah.
shit.
Or we can do merong cup and then we're just gonna
Open it.
Oh.
open it and then...
So it's not like sabog.
Yeah.
Kasi baka masira yung idea.
Andyan na agad.
Okay, $15 each. Not including tax.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
excluding tax.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Pink.
Blue.
Green.
Perfect.
Sana ako maghanap ng blue.
Ako na
A lang ako, Bete. A lang ako. Okay, A lang.
Something useful?
Ay, wait, yeah. Something,
Oh yeah, team.
Something what? Something useful and something naughty.
Something useful. But we're only giving one item.
Something useful na lang din.
Useful. Something useful. That we think that we're gonna use for our
Just one
daily.
item nga pala. Yeah.
Ito pang malaking
I put the bag.
What glass ka ba? Isa ko pa eh. So, something useful.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Or baka gusto mo, iba yung sa'yo.
Hindi, open na.
So something useful or something cute or whatever. Something memorable.
Yan.
What do you think?
Something we can keep.
Yeah, something we can keep.
Something we can keep.
Or something that makes me think of you.
you.
Ganon.
Eh, kasi there's two of
Ang
you.
hirap na
Ayan
eh.
nga.
If it was single,
Something ano na lang. Something you can keep.
Keep.
Yeah.
keep, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a momentum kind of thing. But like, it should be like, ano, hindi lang, basta. Yan. It
Not
should be
food,
really-
right? Not food.
Not food.
Yeah.
You can't keep them forever.
Yeah,
McDonald's.
unless you freeze it.
Oh, babe.
So something you can keep. Okay.
Okay, we're done.
I put the pack. Saan mo dadaan?
Dito. 1, 2. This is how we're gonna end the vlog. Okay, girls. We're gonna go. This is the end of the vlog. We'll see you when we see you. We'll see you on
I don't know. To be announced.
to be announced because we're gonna do the trend on TikTok. Bye.
May trend na naman tayong gagawin.